Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this highlighted curly wig from Unice. It is their 13x4 lace front wig, and it is also 24 inches and 150% density. Now this is what the hair was looking like after I went ahead and bleached the knots and wash and condition it. The wig also did come pre-plucked, which I really loved because it just made everything so much easier. This is what the inside of the wig is looking like. It comes with clips, and it also comes with adjustable straps at the bottom for that extra security. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put the wig on for you guys. Essentially, when I had first put it on, not gonna lie, it just was a tad bit small, especially around the ears. So this is me trying to stretch it out and trying to get some type of leeway, but it ended up still working out in the end. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off all the ear tabs just to make sure that everything is nice and even. And I honestly forgot what kind of lace that this was, but it was looking a little bit gray at the top for me, so I just went ahead and went in with my foundation color just to make sure that when I do start to cut off the lace, it blends in nice and seamlessly, because we don't want any gray lace to show up. So now I'm just going to go ahead and part out a little bit in the front because the hairline was a little bit too forward. I really don't have a widow's peak and my hairline falls a little bit back, so I just went ahead and parted that out of the way so that when I do cut my lace, my hairline isn't basically touching my forehead. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take my Got2b Glue Ultra Hold Spray, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that all along the hairline on the lace.
On you, that's true. I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is more than a million. You give me a really good feeling. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you.
And now that I am done gluing down the front, I'm just going to go ahead and take my razor and start to cut the lace off. I've honestly started doing this method, and now that I've been doing it, I honestly like this method way better than cutting the lace off first, then gluing it down. It honestly just makes everything so much easier. So now I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Now if you guys see a white cast, don't worry, trust the process. It'll all come together in the end. Afterwards, I'm just going to go ahead and take some foundation and go over it just to make sure that that white cast is not there anymore, because that does not look cute at all. And honestly, if you made it this far, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. Let me know what you guys think so far about this video.
Come through, I think I need you. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. You wish away.
And here, you guys, I'm just showing you what my edges look like because my camera cut out halfway through me starting to do my edges, which I was very upset about because I really wanted to show you guys how I did them. So now I'm just going in with some dark brown foundation just to define my part a little bit more, because this hair does blend in with my skin a lot. So I just wanted to go ahead and define that part. Now I'm just going to take my spray bottle with nothing but water in it, you guys. This hair literally didn't need anything at all, just water, that's it. And I'm just going to go ahead and take my water bottle and start to spray all of my hair just to make sure that it is nice and wet, because you guys can do like the dry puffy look, but I also wanted to show you guys what the hair looked like when it was nice and wet. And this is the final look, you guys. I love this wig so much. It's giving Beyonce. Thank you guys so much for watching my tutorial. Can't wait to see you guys in my next video.